I'm showing the installation. You can see the provided piece of plastic that you're supposed to clean the window thoroughly to put it on first. Then you mount the mount on it, and the camera easily slips off of that magnetically and back on, so you can take it out easily and just unplug this and leave it up here out of the way. So the mount now goes up underneath here all the way around the pillar. Then I come through this portion right here on the side pillar, and it follows its way right down the doorway through this molding here and comes all the way down towards the floor. Then you can see over here where it comes back out, and I just have it plugged in here. You see there it has the additional USB port. Easy enough to install. It took me 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, now this portion of the video I'm showing you driving through downtown LA on Highway 60, and we're filming on 2.5K. The picture quality is exceptionally good, no complaints at all about it in my opinion. I have the model name is showing on the bottom, as well as the time and the GPS positioning. I've taken a couple of snapshots as we were driving. You just reach up and click it to take a picture. You didn't have to stop or change from recording or anything. It just snapped the picture and keep going. And I took the picture and I checked it on Google Maps and Google Earth, and it brings you right to the exact positioning where the picture was taken. Pretty awesome. Now you can also, first off, the GPS is built into the camera, so you don't have a separate little GPS you have to mount anywhere. It's all built right in the camera. Now I was unable to get my phone to work with it because my phone wasn't accepting the satellites for some reason, so that's something I have to work on, but I didn't want to keep stalling. I wanted to get this video out so people could see the quality, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I have no issues. It's very well put together. It's a small compact camera, as you can see on the installation and also the unboxing I did of it. So leave comments below and let me know your thoughts about the camera. I have nothing negative to say about it. It looks like a pretty good camera to me. It's well built for sure. Okay, tonight I'm doing the night driving test to see how this Element 1 dash cam does in low light. As you can see, we're driving through a city street in town. There's not much light in this particular area here. And one of the reasons I wanted to do this is so I don't know of any dash cam that has image stabilization, so it's pretty much going to be whatever the comfort level of your vehicle is. And I'm driving in a four-wheel drive pickup, so it isn't going to be the smoothest. I like to test the dash cams driving through a shopping center parking lot, so you get an idea what kind of lighting, a comparison of the lighting, I should say. This camera has a Sony sensor in it, so Sonys are known for being good lenses for night use. I can tell you with a GoPro, this would be dark. There's not enough light here.